And while we on my promo kick, let me not forget to say, go stream, download, buy Grass Ain't Greener video out. Ironic how I put a crazy video out, right? And then you got a bullshit ass story. When I'm sitting over here withering away and oh yeah, fuck Chris Brown, it's the end of the world. I don't give a fuck. I'm not running for politics. I don't give a fuck if I get personal opinion. All y'all can suck a fart out my ass for all I care. And what I do care about is y'all defacing my name as a person and my character and integrity. I am a father. I am one of the best entertainers out here without bragging and trying to say, woe is me, I don't get enough credit. And all y'all niggas know I'm your daddy, nigga. So at the end of the day, I'm tired of this shit. I'm up at 6, it's 7 something in the morning talking this shit. But somebody do. How would you feel? Fuck this fame shit. I'm a real nigga. Fuck y'all.